Hi guys, I'm back with another video. I'm unboxing the product from Root Bridges. So I'm unboxing 3 plants that I bought from Root Bridges, which have just arrived. So this is an unboxed video. I've already opened the package so that we take less time. And I know you are eager to look at the plants, so am I. So the first plant is Pink Aglaonema. This is my first in my life. So let's see how they have sent. Okay. So there are 3 plants in this. Let's see how it goes. Okay. There we go. Then take this apart. You can see Pink Aglaonema is beautiful. It's a beautiful plant. There you go. Let me dig it out. Yeah guys, so you must be wondering what plant is this? So this is Pink Aglaonema. It needs, first of all, indirect sunlight. It needs occasional misting. And it has these beautiful pink leaves, as you can see. So I'm happy with this plant, though what I'm not happy about is the condition of the pot. Maybe you cannot see in the video. The pot is a bit crushed and it's not really round. It could not retain the shape when it arrived, but that's kind of understood. But the whole purpose of the plant arriving was the plant should be safe, and the plant looks good and healthy. So a big thumbs up for this. So let's move to the next plant. I had ordered 2 more. So surprise, let's move to the next one. But before moving to the next one, first of all, let's see if the soil is moist or did they mess up here? Did Root Bridges mess up here? So guys, we need to check it. How good is Root Bridges? So they shifted from Mumbai and it took fair amount of time. It took about 4 days to reach my city. So let's see how long it took. And did these guys do a good job? So what they have done is they've put a sellotape and then they have covered it with moist newspaper. Yes, they did a great job. Soil is moist. I'm happy with it. I'm happy with the plant. Plant looks healthy. Yes. So now, finally moving to the next plant. So moving on with the unboxing, let's go to the second plant. I'm super excited, aren't you? So let's start. And very carefully. I don't want to injure my babies. Yes, you're mine. Mama has adopted you. You're mine. You're my adopted babies. My God, do I talk too much? I'm actually obsessed with them. Let me know in the comment box below. Do you think I'm kind of crazy? Yes. So do you recognize this plant? This is my second baby. Do you recognize this plant? Please let me know in the comment box below. Well, I'm gonna let you know which plant is this in a second. You recognize this? 1, 2. Well, I'm gonna let you know. This one is Green Fittonia or the nerve plant. Well, this is quite a craze in European countries. and the same requirements. As you can see, there's no direct sunlight in my balcony, so I'm going for plants like these. Sorry, I covered up the camera and you couldn't see for a while, so extremely sorry for that. So there you go, and I'm again going to check the soil for this. This looks okay to me. The same way they covered up, they put some they put some sellotape, and then they put some newspaper, moist newspaper, and the newspaper is still wet. Isn't that amazing? It's been, I think, 4 or 5 days since it's been in transit. Isn't that amazing that the newspaper is still drenched? So yes, Root Bridges, a big thumbs up to you for this. I'm very, very, very impressed with you. Beautiful plant scent, but the pot looks very, very small. So, it doesn't look like a 4-inch pot to me. It looks more like, you can say, a 2-inch pot. Sorry, maybe I'm a bit weak in maths, but a 2-inch pot. But a beautiful plant. A big, big, big thumbs up to you, Root Bridges. Thank you. Thank you for this plant. I love it. There you go, dear plant. I love you. Mommy loves you. So we move to the next plant. Just give you a moment. Yeah, so you must be waiting for my verdict. What do I think? Whether you should go for this website or not? What are my complaints on what do I like or dislike about this? So what I like about this is the soil is fresh, the plants are beautiful, they've sent maybe the best plants they have. Look at the foliage. I love what plants they have sent. I especially like the Petunia, and I love the Aglaonema that they have sent. I love it. The soil is very, very moist. I like that. What I did not like was, for the Petunia, they had promised a bigger pot and they sent me a small one. Another thing that I did not like was the pot got crushed because the packaging was not up to the mark, like I'll show you. Pot got crushed. But still, it did not affect the plant, so I'm not that unhappy about it. That's still okay for the Aglaonema. But I'm worried about this plant, Ficus pumila. The foliage got a bit destroyed. Even when it is a rainy season, if it was very, very hot, the temperatures were very, very high, then it would have been very, very difficult for the plant to survive. If I would have ordered it say in summers or something. Can you see? The foliage is damaged. So that's my only concern. I hope the plant lives, but otherwise, will I recommend Root Bridges to a friend? This is my second order with Root Bridges. So yes, I will recommend Root Bridges to a friend because they keep adding new and new plants, and they have a competitive price that many competitors cannot beat. So yes, a big thumbs up from my side. Thank you, Root Bridges. But yes, there are a few things they can improve upon, which I mentioned. So thank you guys for watching the video. Have a great day. Stay safe. Take care.